is what it is very clearly shared in the that if it is not required to prove, don't share that particular secrets, we are not interested. Court clearly says that thing. So, that is already mentioned in the, you can just check in your reading that the printout, it is very clearly mentioned. What it says? The court shall not require him to disclose any manufacturing or a commercial secrets. Okay. So, this is what section 104A, okay, burden of proof. So, that the plaintiff should prove that yes, this product is same, and they will say that this process is like they have followed the infringed my process. Defendant will say that no, I have a different process, or I have like a, you have given the process, but that is not working. So, that is another defense. And then your manufacturing secrets or any commercial secrets, it is not required to disclose in that. So, sometimes generally students also say sometimes, oh, it is a confidential information, so we are not sharing. Court is not interested in your confidential information. Court will just go into the details related to this process and the process, that process which defendant is used. Okay. So, I guess